Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tat and I share anything under the sun, most especially my work journey as a night shift rep. I know I've been away again for a month since my last unboxing video, and I really do apologize for that. But if you're a coffee lover like me and you want to buy an affordable and aesthetic coffee maker, please check that video. I'll insert the link here and also below. For today, I will be sitting down with you to share some tips on how to maintain a healthy lifestyle while working on a night shift. So this video was requested by one of our new friends, Renee. So this is her suggestion, and I do apologize. I know this is already a long overdue, but a lot of things happened for the past few weeks, and I hope that I can share that with you guys soon. And before we continue, I would really want to say thank you guys for subscribing and posting your questions and suggestions. I am a true believer of small wins. Reaching above 70 is quite an honor, most especially I'm not this consistent in posting videos for the past few months, but I promise that I will do my best. So now, let's jump into the video. First is to make sure you choose a vitamin that suits you. I would recommend that you take vitamin C every day to boost your immune system. You know, we don't sleep at night, and this can be a factor to decrease the power of our immune system. By the way, I'm not a health practitioner. What I'm sharing with you guys are the things I have experienced and tried in my 11 years plus of working on a night shift. Second is to make sure you are hydrated. Make sure you drink plenty of water during your night shift to maintain hydration. Being dehydrated only increases the feeling of fatigue and exhaustion, and we want to stay alert and awake, right, during a night shift. So keep a glass of water near you, or a tumbler if you're working in the office. Water is free in the office, so go and take advantage of it. Number 3 is to reduce or limit eating fast food. I know, because we work on night shift, we are very sleepy in the morning, and we just rely on fast foods for our dinners and snacks. I would highly suggest to do meal prepping a day before your work week, or if you are unable to do so, I would prefer you going to a clean local canteen or your office pantries, because their food are being prepared with less preservatives, additives, etc. And it's more the same with home cooked meals. Number 4 is have a good sleep. I know sleeping in the morning and sleeping at night are quite different, but it doesn't mean you can't get a good quality of sleep. You have to make sure that you're able to sleep at least 8 hours, and it has to be continuous, because some would split it, and I'm a bit guilty of that. Sometimes I sleep 3 hours from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., then wake up to eat lunch, sleep again at 3 p.m., then wake up at 8 p.m. The key here is to have a good quality sleep. You can also try blackout curtains and chamomile tea to have a really good sleep. Number 5, ensure that you have a work-life balance. When it's time for work, it is for work. But if it is your rest day, spend it to rest. Have fun, relax, do whatever you want. Pamper yourself and try to be normal as possible. We can never escape the reality that work can be stressful sometimes, and to add to that, we are working on night shift. So give yourself a time to recharge and enjoy your free days. I hope these basic tips are helpful to you guys, especially to those who are new in the night shift world. It's kind of hard to adjust at first, but eventually you'll get the hang of it. There are lots of ways to be healthy and balanced while on night shift, so please stay tuned on my next video. I'll do my best to post more helpful vids here and my work journey with you guys, or anything that I know would help you all. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It will greatly help my channel and would mean a lot to me, guys. And if you have any suggestions, questions, drop it in the comment section and I'll be glad to read it and do my best to make it happen. I'll see you guys. Take care. All the best.